Audio CD 1, Track 59, Unit 3, Renting a Car. Becky is going to Seattle on a business trip. She is talking to a travel agent. Can you reserve a rental car for me? I prefer live rent-a-car.
What kind do you want? A sedan, a compact car, a manual, or an automatic?
I want something cute and something first-rate. My company is paying, so I want a sports car. Hi, can you tell me where the rental car lots are?
Yeah, take the airport bus to the back of the parking lot.
Thanks. Maybe I'll get a BMW or a sports car. Hi, I have a car reserved. My name is Becky Green. Maybe my car will be a convertible or a Ford Mustang.
Let me see. Oh, yes, Ms. Green. We have a 1990 Lifeco Goldfish for you.
What? I told my travel agent I wanted a cute, first-rate car.
Oh, our computer says a fair cut-rate car. There have been a few mistakes.
I hate traveling. People always make mistakes.